This is a quick video update on the market and also the coronavirus that's been making a lot of news lately. Ironically, right after our investment outlook in January, I told the team that I didn't put in a section about the coronavirus. And additionally, not a single client asked about it during the Q&A session. I wanted to share with you today, I've got a little note from one of our research companies that I think will shed some light on the volatility as well as the virus. The volatility index has soared in the past few days after settling down for most of the past 3 months. During the fourth quarter and the first 2 weeks of January, the VIX index averaged 13, well below the current reading in the mid-20s. Investors have reacted to the spread from country to country of the coronavirus, a risk that was pointed out in their forecast for 2020. No, they did not forecast a new virus, but they did point out that the market was priced for perfection and disappointments could lead to sharp sell-offs. So what will be the impact of the coronavirus? Well, it's hard to forecast with precision, but they anticipate Chinese economic growth to grind to a halt in this first quarter. That could lower the global GDP towards 2.5%, which is below last year's 2.9%. It's also the lowest growth rate since the 2008-2010 recession. In the U.S., the impact of the virus may shave off 0.2 to 0.4% in Q1 GDP, though we do expect growth to re-accelerate later in the year. That's assuming the virus is contained. And yes, healthcare professionals have faced and contained viruses and diseases in the past. One thing we do know from recent trading history, every time that the VIX has doubled since 2012, it has been a buying opportunity. So with that, I wanted to just share a little bit on our perspective on the recovery. Number one, will this be a fast V-shaped recovery? Will it be a U-shaped recovery where we drop and stay down for 3 to 6 months while we wait for the virus to move away? Or is this something that's going to cause the next recession and be in for a longer term? One thing we know is that we have a strategy for recessions. We have a strategy for your life plan. And we would tell you, like we tell everyone, you don't get out of the plane when there's turbulence. So buckle up, focus on the life that you've got. Don't go to China right now, and stick to your long-term strategy. If there's anything we can do, please let us know.